We start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. Okay, if you refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was here, we mentioned if you want to look for sell, we should get the correction similar to what I drew here. And there was an internal based on lower time frame, but the only one we could get was this. All right, anyone is in this trade know, at least they should know maybe there is a reversal, because if you put this one in relative to this, based on MACD, we see the divergence and as well here. Okay, again, the divergence just give us information maybe there is a reversal. That's why if anyone get a trade from whether from any of this correction or here, no, at least move their stop loss to break your win. Okay, now I want to see what's the next and how we can trade it. If we move to higher time frame daily chart, this is what we can see. We want to see how this correction can we expect this one to give us one more drop, become more complex or not. In this case, we move to forward chart. All right. As we can see, based on forward chart, also the price broke this low. And now if we put this one in relative to the previous one, and we want to see whether we have divergence, yes, we have. And how about the MACD also? Okay, now we want to see this, what's the next and how we can trade it, because in our analysis we mentioned we can put this one as a correction in relative to this, and now the price broke the low. That means even there is a possibility to drop a bit more, but as long as the price haven't broke this low, we consider this one as a correction, and any reversal we are more interested for buy with the breakout of the top. Okay, but no one say how we can trade. In this case, we move to 1 hour chart. All right. First of all, if we want to look for buy, we should look for the reversal. And if we put our line here, okay. Now, as I mentioned, if we want to look for buy, we need to get the reversal. That means at least we get a sharp move. Like if we get any trade, if this one drop a bit more, it can give us better trade setup. If we get any trade, we take it. The thing is whether we get the trade below this trend line or above. Mostly if we get the trend line above with the breakout of this trend line, it can give us better confirmation with the continuation. But if we get any trade, trade setup within this range, or even this one if drop, maybe based on 1 hour or lower time frame. But if we get any trade, and when the price comes to the trend line, we see it's not moving, we take out the trade, we start to manage it, because it's still we can get one more correction similar to what we have here for one more drop. Okay, and if we want to look for buy, we should get a sharp move reversal with the flag. If the price is moving as a corrective, we are not going to trade, and if we get any trade with the breakout of the top, we should start to manage. But right now we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is we want to see how deep this one can go. But we know that if we refer to this correction, almost the price broke the low. Okay, and mostly we will get the reversal. That's why if we get any trade we wanna for buy, we will be more interested. But the only thing is right now we don't have any trade setup. Anyway, we just follow the chart, and if we get any update, then I will share. Thanks.